delivered. Nobody's even gonna watch this, so it's kind of cool. Like, I can just post whatever I want, and like, it won't matter because I know. Good morning, guys. I guess this is the start of my pre-trip maintenance vlog. It doesn't even sound like right to say. I'm on my way to go get my nails done because, as you can see, oh wait, can you see? They're so grown out and nasty, so let's go do that. I had an appointment at 10, but it's 10 now. And the only reason why I'm going in the morning is because they have like happy hour, like 25% off or something. So here we are. Let's see if they let me in. Alright guys, I'm back from the nail salon. It was kind of expensive because last time I did it, I don't know, I just thought, I'm not a nail girly. I'm a wannabe nail girly. I'm gonna go back to my press-ons because this is too much. I don't want to pay for these prices. How much was it? It was 97. No, it was 85, and I didn't even get a pedicure. My idiotic fault for not looking at the sign. I went at this time because I thought it was going to be 20% off of all the services. Come to find out, it's only 20% off of pedicures. Did I get a pedicure? No, because I was like, oh, less money, less problems, right? But no, I did a color change and a paraffin. The color change was $20. The cheapest pedicure is $40. And then I did a paraffin wax. I think that was $10, right? Or 15. Bro, tell me I did not just rip myself off with $5. I feel so dumb. If that's literally, let me check. Oh my gosh. So basically I did like a dry pedicure for $30 when the cheapest was $40. But it's like, bro, I don't even need my freaking toenails cut. Oh my god. And then I tipped and it wasn't perfect. I just feel so stupid. Alright, whatever. Like, it's water under the bridge. I'm so sorry. I'm so upset with myself. I'm just gonna like repaint and I don't know. Guys, so much for doing a prep video of my week for my trip. Just got out the shower. It's Monday. I lost the battle with the hair. I don't even know what to do to my hair. That's like such the that's another like challenging part of figuring out what to do with my hair when I'm on vacation. Because like, okay, we're going to Arizona. It's going to be 103 degrees every day. So it's like a dry desert, hot heat. Like, do I straighten my hair? Do I blow dry it? Do I do it curly? And I think I've come to realize that like curly hair is easier, but also straight hair is easy too. Like, all I have to do is just not keep it, just not get it wet and not be sweaty, and then it'll be fine. So I really don't know. I was thinking of doing like a mini twist or braid out, but my scalp is freshly clean. I'm just gonna do my normal prep that I always do, which is, I always do some sort of like twist out or whatever. I twist out, braid out, but I don't think I'm gonna blow dry it. I'm just spraying heat protectant on, but done. Like, if we weren't going to a hot tropical location, then I probably would like straighten it, get it straightened, whatever. But since it is gonna be hot, I don't think that makes any sense if I'm gonna be like sweaty. Maybe with Arizona, I do think I could get away with it, but also like they have a pool at the Airbnb that we're staying at, and we're gonna do leave-in conditioner. They have a pool, there's a hot tub, there's a steam room, there's a cold plunge. So I'm gonna take advantage of all of those things. So I don't think it makes sense for me to straighten my hair if I'm gonna be like doing water. Steam room for sure, like that's just gonna make my hair even frizzier if it's straight, right? I don't know, it doesn't make sense. So I'll just do what I usually do, but do like a super tight twist out or braid out or something. I'll like keep my braids in, keep them juicy and moisturized, and then take them out Friday. I'm gonna try to keep them nice at least. My scalp could be itchy already and crusty and dusty and rusty. Alright, so we're doing leave-in. And so I normally hit it with this serum. This is what I do for like all of my hair. Every week. Every single week. A spray, light. Notice I need like a light something. And then a lotion cream leave-in, shafts to mid-ends for that, and then this would be also like my blow dry routine too. I've been using the wax pomade to slick the hairs, but I've noticed that that's giving me dandruff. So that's kind of annoying. So I think what I'm just gonna do is try to do like a, what am I doing? I'm gonna try to just keep the braids, just whatever I decide to do, super moisturize. And the thing is, like, I love myself with the side part. I think that looks nice. Ooh, yes, right? Or should I do middle? That's always like the hardest thing to decide. And I feel like I look better with a mid. Like, I'm just a side part girl. It's a little fun, but also like a middle part is fun too. So how do I decide? I'll just do like a subtle side part. Straight up. This looks like shit. Okay, it's getting really busy. And water. Okay, this is like so nerve wracking because it's like, this is the final style. So whatever we do to it now is like how it's gonna be for the rest of the week. Like what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do some for this. That's usually what I do. And I'm gonna change it to the very wavy, still fresh. Usually I would just do Greek and something, but I think it's like 45. The crucial steps that's important is like making sure the set gets set right, the set of the style, and then smooth the baby hairs. That's what I do with all freaking week. It's just making sure this should be smooth as possible. If you know, then no. Like trying to smooth it without using freaking pomade. It's like, I don't know, today's Monday. If you're trying to, it's still gonna be nice. Like a spray, still keep it juicy. Alright, so just for reference, I decided to do the 3-2 method. So 3 in the back, 2 in the front for the most definition, and then we'll probably have to end up retwisting the front to keep it fresh. What's up? A little furry, but we have days to get it smooth. And then I'm gonna cut my kitchen back here. If you can see, I always cut that. Ooh, look, I look so glowy in this horrible lighting. I also just wanted to say I'm like prepping, getting the toiletries ready. I can't even talk. And packing always gives me anxiety. It's only for a weekend, 72 hours, 3 days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday morning, come back, or Monday afternoon. I'm getting like anxiety poopies again, just like packing and thinking of everything. But I think it'll be good. All the prep. It's Monday. I'm packing, pre-packing. Okay, bye. Hey guys, we're back here again. Another part of the prep with me for vacation vlog. We're gonna do the Beauty of Josie on mask because why not? What I'm supposed to have a spatula, but I don't. I don't even know like what this mask does. I don't even really like it because like I don't know. I just don't think it really makes a difference. Again, this is part of like one of those things that I bought from Prime Day like last year. Was it last year? I got it on sale. I thought it was gonna make me glowy, but here we are. I'm just doing some skincare prep. So I'm not gonna really have time to be like prepping all of this for later when I go on my trip. So I'm gonna shave my legs now. I was gonna wait and like shower and do it tomorrow, but we'll just do it now. I'll shave my legs out of the shower so I can show you guys. I haven't done that in like 5 years. So I think this is just like a face mask exfoliator. I don't know. It's like honey and rice or something. I just feel like it doesn't really do that much. So here's what we're doing. I just pumped 2 ounces of milk. I'm gonna drink some tea and see if I can pump some more. And I have a little bit of a stash, but I think what I'm gonna try to do for the rest of my week. Oh, and then I'm gonna do some clothes washing, some hand washing clothes. Alright, well, that's what the face looks like. We'll sit here for 20 minutes and then shave. Here, let's see if you guys can get the hairs. Alright, this side I think I did shave, but then let's take a look. You can see a little bit of the hairs. I don't know. Point is, this leg is hairy. I saved it just for the video. Can you see? This is horrible lighting. What's that? I need to pop that. Alright, well, this is us. Hi guys. So I'm using a straight razor as I normally do. And I have soap everywhere. Ugh, I just wanted to... My hands are freaking... Okay, I can't untwist this. There's a razor in here. But I'm gonna replace the blade. Okay, there you go. What? What?
Make you feel like a game. Look at us, we go on and on again. We'll go on to the end. What we wanna do on and on again. Make you feel like a game. Look at us, we go on and on again. We'll go on to the end. What we wanna do on and on again. Look, it's a new me. Switched it up. Who's this? Stood up a new jeans. So fresh, so clean.
I actually decided to just shower and shave everything, so yeah, there I am. Hi. We're here. Hi. Alright, we're here. It's 24 hours before the day. It's time to go. My bathing suit's wet. The baby's been sick all week. So it's like, great. Like, what are we doing? I need to pack still, kinda ish. Like, half of it's packed, but not completely. Ugh. I still need to pump some milk. Like, I have a stash, but I don't know. She doesn't want to be put down. She has a fever. It's gonna be like a miracle if we... So here we are. This is gonna be like a fun vlog to put together. What time is it? It's 6:30. Man, I'm starting to hate packing, or maybe I just hate packing with a baby. I hate packing with kids, with multiple people. Like, dang, life would be so much easier if I didn't have, like, other people to take care of while trying to do, like, things. Like, packing would be fine, but I can't find my freaking bra that I wanted to take. I'm waiting for my bathing suits to dry. I got the baby right here. She's, like, throwing up everywhere. Well, not everywhere, just one time. And, I'm low-key thinking about, like, should I even take my camera? I just got the Insta360 camera. But it's just, like, always so amazing to me that, like, life is crazy. Everything's a mess. I still need to retwist my fronts. I need to retwist my hair. I wanted to make picadillo for them, but I can't really do anything with this baby. She just took a nap, and I was wearing her in the carrier. And now she's sitting here for now, chilling, and I'm, like, kind of folding my clothes. I've decided to take these skirts instead of my yellow dress because it was, like, looking really bulky. It was looking really bulky in my suitcase. So I figured, okay, I've already got one dress to bring, so I feel like a tank top will pack thin, right? And then I'll pair it with a skirt just in case. because what are we wearing? I don't know, because like I need a day outfit for Saturday. Friday I'll be wearing whatever I'm wearing, so just something to change into. Like and then that's that. But then just like a white tank top, but it's like thin, like you can't just go wrong with it, just for like options. And then it's gonna be hot, so I just like rethinking everything, like 106 degrees, like what do I bring? So this is what I have so far. I think, yeah, this was like way less smaller than the one dress that I brought. And it wasn't even that poofy. It's just, it is poofy towards the bottom. And then like a little swimsuit cover up. Because now I just start to think like, it's like a skirt. I don't know. We'll be on a boat, so maybe this will be a good idea. Like it's going to be hot. Wait, but that's not for the boat. So I think I'm going to wear the one piece. Like, I don't even freaking know. Maybe I don't need this. Or maybe I'll wear this for the Friday night. Or maybe I could just turn it into, like, I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh, my Walmart delivery is being delivered right now. But I always get mad at myself because I never wear, like, everything I pack, unfortunately. But I feel like this is, like, a small amount. I've got 2 tank tops. I've got 1 dress. I'll show you guys everything. I've got some movement back here. I'll show you guys everything when I get to the place, because packing right now, like with this baby, it's just low-key crazy. No, not low-key, it's high-key, like insane and impossible. And like, do I bring this pump bra? Like sometimes I think that I want it when I'm pumping, because I'll just like sit there and hold it, and I'm like, this is like boring, like I want a hand. But I've only worn this once, and I was thinking maybe I can use this for my strapless thing, but I don't even know, dude. I can't find my freaking bra. Wait, I already had a bra. See? I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, bye. Okay. Hi guys, I've decided to retwist my hair so I can get some cleaner parts. So this is one twist. If you're wondering why I look like that, it's because my hair is greasy. So how do I want these twists to fall though, is the question. Because, okay, so yeah, what I want to do, I think we want to do away from the face or towards the face. I think we'll do away from the face. Okay, I've decided to go away from the face. So yeah, I'm just reapplying some water, maybe putting a little bit of this, what is this? Cantu clearance gel. I don't even know if it works good. It's probably too much. Just rehydrating. I think I have too much on my hair. I'm gonna rub some of that off. This twist was still intact, but I'm just gonna go ahead and redistribute. I need to brush through that. So I thought I told myself I was doing 3 up front. I don't know how we got 2, but this is what we're doing. Oh, I just realized I was supposed to be recording, but it's nothing exciting. I'm just twisting. I squeeze a little bit of milk. I'm gonna drink some more breast milk tea and squeeze out some more milk. Then I'm gonna make food. And yeah. Just prepping for a day's work, for a weekend's work, so we can have some laid baby hairs and edges. Okay guys, there, I finished. There's my twist. Just 2 twisted away. I'm gonna put them in more of them on the buns for now. And this could be a style for a day. Maybe it still could be. I'll just put like my clips that I got, my flower clips, but this is what she's looking like. I don't like, yeah, but we're done. Done twisting. Never change your song. Don't even listen to him. He don't know nothing at all.